Myself, Dr. Rakesh Kumar, lecturer in Department of Sociology, SKJ Law College, Muzaffarpur, Bihar. Good morning, my dear students. Today again we are attending online classes, which is managed by our college management. So, and today I am attending class of pre-law part 1. The topic of today is the function of the family. The function of the family is not a new function of the world. When we started living with each other, when we formed the group, when we have given different names of the group, and there is so many process of the formation of the family, which we have already discussed in previous classes. So every family have some function which is made for their members. With the help of that function, they develop their family, they systematize their family, they socialize their children, and they provide control to their members through the socialization process. So there is a great importance of the function of the family. Without this function, we cannot think about the existence of the society, existence of any family. So there is a great need of the function of the family. So today, my dear students, the function of the family is divided into two parts according to different sociologists of the world. Every sociologist have given their own ideology in respect of the function of the family, but after going to the conclusion of all the sociologists of the world, the function of the family is divided into two parts. Mainly because I am just teaching you on the basis of the, you can say that on the basis of the important points which is related with the function of the family. So again I am just going on blackboard. The function of the family is divided into two parts. Functions of the family. Functions of the family. It is divided into two parts. Divided into two parts. First one is biological function. Biological function. Biological functions. Second one is socio-cultural function. Socio-cultural function. Socio-cultural functions. इन बायोलॉजिकल फंक्शन, जिसको हिंदी में हम जैविकीय कार्य कहते हैं, परिवार का जो जैविकीय कार्य है, दिस बायोलॉजिकल फंक्शन इज डिवाइडेड इनटू फ्यू पार्ट्स which is important. Sexual satisfaction. Second one is reproduction. A third one is race perpetuation. Biological function is divided. In the biological function, there is three functions which we have already discussed in our definition of the family. that biological function is related with these all three functions. In when we will recall the definition of the McIver and Page, in that definition we have already given some points that family which provide permanent sexual satisfaction to the members of the family. So sexual satisfaction is the most important function of the family which regulate our society. So family is only that type of group which provide us permanent sexual satisfaction. There is no another system in the world who will provide you permanent sexual satisfaction. Only family will provide you permanent sexual satisfaction for all the members of the society. Now, reproduction. Second point is reproduction, बच्चों का उत्पादन. When we are only doing sexual satisfaction, but we are not producing any children, then the family will become collapse. So permanent sexual satisfaction for the production and rearing of the children. So there is great need of the reproduction of the any new children, because without reproduction we cannot regulate our family in different ages of the society. Family will become temporary. After death of mother and father, the family will become absolute out from our society. So reproduction provide permanent concept to our family, and it will maintain with the help of this reproduction system. We regulate our family in the society. So reproduction provide regulation in the society of our family. Now, third point, race perpetuation, प्रजातीय निरंतरता को बनाए रखना. This will continue the race perpetuation in our society. प्रजातीय निरंतरता को बनाए रखता है. That's why the family is recognized as a universal concept. In every age of the society, the family is available. Due to this important function, race perpetuation, reproduction and sexual satisfaction. And these three functions considered under the biological function of the family or essential function of the family. Some sociologists have discussed about the biological function, and it have provided another name, essential function. Another name, essential function. And this one, now we will enter into the socio-cultural function of the family. It is divided into so part. The political function, political function, economical function, economical function, जिसको पॉलिटिकल फंक्शन को हम राजनीतिक कार्य भी कहते हैं, इकोनॉमिकल फंक्शन को आर्थिक कार्य कहते हैं, एजुकेशनल फंक्शन, function of social control, again function of social regulation, function of social regulation, function of social regulation, function of socialization, function of socialization, and these all are the important function. Within that there is another function also. So when we are talking about the socio-cultural function, the function which is done by the family in the society, so this function is essential function of the family. When we are talking about the socio-cultural function, within this socio-cultural function, these are essential function. But as a whole, this one is essential function and this is recognized as a non-essential function according to so many sociologists. But when we are talking about the political function, we first learn ABCD about the politics in our family. We are 2 or 3 brother and sister. When we commit some mistake in our family and we are knowing that the punishment will be provided by our parents, so how we will become safe from that type of the punishment? So they started playing politics within other members, between a brother and sister, and they started finding some cause that when will we do this type of, when we will put this type of a statement in front of our father and mother, then the punishment will be provided to my younger brother or the elder brother. And this way we will become safe from our committed mistake. यानी कि बच्चा घर के अंदर ही राजनीति की जो मूल मंत्र है, जो ABCD है, वो सीखता है. कभी कभी गलतियां कर लेने के बाद माता पिता से पनिशमेंट मिल जाए, कभी बड़े भाई को मार देते हैं, बड़ी बहन को मार देते हैं, कभी छोटे भाई को मार देते हैं, वो कस के चिल्लाने लगता है. तो ऐसी स्थिति में वह बचना चाहता है कि हमको पनिशमेंट नहीं मिले, तो वह कुछ कॉज खोजता है. दे फाइंड सम कॉज एंड विद द हेल्प ऑफ दैट कॉज they want to rescue, they want to become safe from their committed mistake. So this way they started learning ABCD of the politics. Now second one is economical function. For fulfillment of the essentialities of the members of the family, every family have to do economical function. कोई ना कोई आर्थिक कार्य सभी परिवार करते हैं अपने परिवार के सदस्यों की अति आवश्यक आवश्यकताओं की पूर्ति करने के लिए. बिना आर्थिक कार्य के परिवार के अति आवश्यक आवश्यकताओं की पूर्ति नहीं हो सकती. इसलिए every family is doing any type of the economical function. The family which is recognized as a civilized family of the society, they are doing that type of work which is accepted by our constitution. The bank robbery, the crime, the thieftness is also recognized as a function of family, but that is not accepted by our Indian constitution. That is not accepted by India. Only that thing is accepted which is social sanction. These all criminal activities, notorious action, these all are not social sanctioned by the society. It is not accepted by the society. So every someone is doing traditional work for economic fulfillment, the traditional work of their family. If anyone have shop, his son is rotating that shop. Till next generation, their grandson is rotating that. Every family members or every family is doing some economic work for fulfillment of the essentialities of the members of the family. Now, educational function. This is also a function of the family. It is not recognized as a non-essential, it is essential function of the family. But this function, educational function, is also a function of the family, because we are knowing when we will literate all the members of our family, then my family will develop in very fast. So every family wants to provide education to their children, better education to their children, that with the help of that education he will become a very social man of the society, civilized man of the society. Then on the basis of that education they will develop their personality. यानी कि शिक्षा जो है व्यक्ति के व्यक्तित्व के विकास में सहायक होता है, शिक्षा परिवार के विकास में सहायक होता है। शिक्षित परिवार विकसित परिवार कहा जाता है, विकासशील परिवार कहा जाता है। क्यों? क्योंकि शिक्षित व्यक्ति को निर्णय लेने की शक्ति ज़्यादा होती है, सूझबूझ ज़्यादा होता है, इसलिए वह सोच समझकर कोई भी गलत काम नहीं करता है। इसलिए एवरी नेशन मेक्स सो मेनी प्रोग्राम एंड पॉलिसी टू लिटरेट देयर पीपल ऑफ देयर कंट्री। इसलिए बराबर साक्षर अभियान चलाया जाता है। उस साक्षरता के माध्यम से पूरे देश के नागरिक को शिक्षित किया जाता है, क्योंकि शिक्षित नागरिक ही किसी भी देश का विकास बड़ी तीव्र गति से करता है। इसलिए ये शिक्षा की व्यवस्था और द फर्स्ट लेटर ऑफ एजुकेशन इज लर्न बाय एनी मेंबर्स विद इन देयर फैमिली एंड फर्स्ट टीचर इज देयर मदर। सो फैमिली is a primary educational, family is recognized under the primary educational system, because first we started learning anything, right or wrong, from our family. So family have great role for providing education to their children. So this way I finish this educational function. The function of social control, सामाजिक नियंत्रण संबंधी कार्य। After providing socialization to the members of the family, we first make a very civilized man. When he will become civilized, then they will do all the work in social control. सामाजिक नियंत्रण में काम करेंगे। जब हम किसी व्यक्ति का समाजीकरण, जब किसी व्यक्ति में, परिवार के किसी व्यक्ति में सद्गुणों का समावेश करेंगे फंक्शन ऑफ सोशलाइजेशन के मामले से, तो वह व्यक्ति सामाजिक नियंत्रण की स्थिति में जाना जाएगा और वह एक नियंत्रित व्यक्ति के रूप में होगा। When we will provide faulty socialization, then the people, the members of the family will become criminal, become thief, become the notorious person of the society, and they are not going to recognize as a good man of the society, because due to faulty socialization which is provided by their family first, then school and colleges. And this way the function of social control is also a function of their family and function of socialization. So every mother and father wants to provide good education through that education they socialize their children in the society. When you are going to meet with your friend and every day your father and mother is listening the name of your friend, one day father or mother want to visit your friend house. Which type of family my son is going? Is there a criminal family? Is there a civilized family? So mother and father always visit or taking information about your friend, because first we learn in family and second we learn in our play group. जो हमारा छोटे बच्चों का खेल का समूह होता है उसमें ज़्यादा हम सीखते हैं और उसमें बच्चे ज़्यादा गुण अवगुण का समावेश बच्चों में हो जाता है। इसलिए नाउ द फंक्शन ऑफ रेगुलेशन, व्हेन वी स्टार्ट रिप्रोड्यूसिंग children again and again, then our family will recognize as a permanent family. When we are not going to, only we are going through the sexual satisfaction system, or we are not reproducing, providing production of children, then after death of the mother and father, that family will collapse. So, when family will collapse, the society, according to McCain-Page, society is recognized as abstract. Samaj amurt hai. Why? On the basis of what? He have tell us that society is abstract. On the basis of production system. On the when there is permanent family system, when we will regulate our society, when we will reproduce the children, when there is a race perpetuation system, then we will regulate our society in every ages. We then, यानी कि the regulation of the children or the production of the children will regulate our family in different ages of the society. When we are not producing any children, the family will become collapse, and after some times when all will only go through the sexual satisfaction, not production, then the society will not recognize as abstract after death of all the family. So this way I have already explained the socio-cultural function of the family and biological function of the family. Today I finished the function of the family. So in your examination, you have to write in your answer sheet like this. It will help you, it will save your time in answering the question in examination. And again I am just telling at the last of this my lecture that you please make your notes first. After this lecture, listening this lecture, go through the books and then make one notes, and when we will meet with each other after the coronavirus disease, when all the situation will become normal, we will go through your notes. I will check your notes. Thank you for today. Best of luck.